The Tech Touring Gore-Tex boot is a waterproof and secure boot for the toughest riding conditions. It features protection and all-weather compatibility, making this a perfect year-round boot for the touring or commuting rider. It is a full-grain leather boot with a multi-layer construction, consisting of the leather outer and a protective knit layer that is bonded above the main Gore-Tex membrane. The Gore-Tex membrane makes this boot 100% waterproof, but allows breathability at the same time. It contains 9 billion microscopic pores per square inch, which are large enough to allow heat vapor out, but being 20,000 times smaller than a water droplet, makes the membrane completely waterproof from the outside. This boot is fitted with an instep and Achilles flex zones, which work together to provide the rider with freedom of lateral movement. Within the boot, there is dual density ankle protection, molded shin reinforcements, and internal heel and toe reinforcements. A PU toe shifter panel provides feel and protection around the forefoot and prevents pitching when changing gears. The sole of this boot is Alpinestars' exclusive vulcanized oil-resistant compound. A reflective insert on the back provides extra visibility at nighttime. Size range: 36 to 50 Europe, 3.5 to 14 US.